जब गर्म हवा के तपेड़े पड़ते हैं तो किसी की भी रूह कांप जाए। रोटी हर किसी की नसीब नहीं होती, ये तो मेहनत से कमाई जाती है। हर कोई आपकी तरह नसीब वाला नहीं होता साहब, किसी को अपना नसीब खुद लिखना पड़ता है। वो है हम गरीब किसान। पिछले साल फसल काफ़ी अच्छी हुई थी, जिससे कि हम अपना काफ़ी कर्जा चुका पाए। पर इस साल पैसा ना होने के कारण हमने सेठ जी से काफ़ी ब्याज पे उधार लिया है। हमारे घर में सभी काम करते हैं, मैं, मेरी घरवाली, मेरे भाई और मेरी बेटी। हम अपने बच्चों को भी पढ़ाई के लिए नहीं भेज पाते, वो हमारे साथ खेती करते हैं। हमने सोचा था कि इस साल की फसल से सब कुछ बदल जाएगा, हमारी हालत ठीक हो जाएगी, बेटी की पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी। लेकिन लेकिन अब अब तो एक वक्त की रोटी भी नसीब नहीं है साहब।
Ultimately, if you start from the field to the market, to the purchase, to the mass, to the cooking in terms of time, in terms of energy, in terms of efforts, and that was served in the plate within the 10-15 minutes when you had time. I personally believe that at the age when we come to the hostel, we are 20 plus or around that, we should have developed a conscience that yes, this is what the measure of my stomach, and this is what I have learned to eat so much. If on a day I am not very sure that I will take more or less, the best bet is I take a little less. Maybe taste is not enough, not good, or somehow I don't like it. Then perhaps there is a possibility that wastage can be reduced.
Why do you think there is a wastage of food in the mess?
For the wastage, there are basically two reasons. The first one is like the workers have to prepare food for around 500 to 600 students within a gap of 1 hour. So that's not possible. You'll have to compromise with the quality. And the second is the treating culture at BITS. So there are a lot of treats, there are a lot of parties in BITS with departments and all. So students tend to miss their meals.
So what are the measures you have taken to reduce the wastage, like in the treat culture? And
the measures, like the most successful measure I took was the self-service thing. So if a worker is serving, he'll fill your plate. But if you're self-serving yourself, then you will take only those things which you like to have on, which you would like to have on that day. So that reduced the wastage to a lot of extent. It reduced from 3 crates to 1.5 crates. And second thing was I made a email account on the name of my mess, and I asked the students that if they plan of any kind of treat or dinner on that day, just inform me, just mail me 6 hours before the meal. So I'll ask the manager to make food for less students. So that helped to reduce the wastage.